Hi, this is Lou, and this screencast is all about helping you work effectively and efficiently from within Padlet. One of the things I've realised talking to people is that process of being sent a link, clicking on the link, and being taken to a web browser is really entrenched in all of us. That was the way of doing things for many, many years until social media platforms came about, what's known as Web 2.0, where spaces were created that we could use to collaborate and communicate. And Padlet is one of those spaces. So social media isn't just the big hitters like Facebook and Twitter. It's plenty of other places too that we might use professionally. And Padlet, of course, is all about sharing resources, but it's about being able to comment on one another's stuff too. So rather than every time you access Padlet, hunting through your emails for the appropriate link for that Padlet, clicking on it, letting your browser open up, working from within Padlet to start off is much more efficient. I'm going to do that by typing in padlet.com into my web browser. And here is the introductory Padlet place that allows me to either sign up if I don't already have a Padlet account or log in if I do. And it's easy to toggle between those two places. So here we are. This is for somebody completely new to Padlet who's never accessed a Padlet before. This is where you can sign in and be able to get access to the things we're sharing with you. Think hard. First principles of Fab here. Think hard about what email you want to use. Obviously, your thoughts would go immediately to your work email, but if that is constrained by lots of firewalls to stop you getting at stuff, it might be more agile for you to use a personal email, or perhaps an email that you have created for professional use, such as a Google email. I am already signed up for Padlet across a number of different logins because I work on numerous projects. So I'm going to toggle to log in here, and I'm going to log in with Google. But I'm not going to use my usual Google login because there's an overwhelming amount of Padlets on there. I'm going to use this little one called Thinking Cultures, which I've made for a project that is just starting. So here I am. It thinks I'm called Thinking as my first name. There's my little Thinking Cultures emblem. And of course, you can personalize your account. I've shown you in another screencast how to do that. This is a free Padlet, so I can have up to 3 Padlets here that I create. As you see, there are 2 appearing under recents, one of which I have made. So this is my folder of made Padlets, and one of which has been shared with me. And that was shared by Lou Mycroft 4 minutes ago, and I didn't have to access any links through emails to be able to find that. Because Lou Mycroft knew my Thinking Cultures email, she was just able to type that into the share box on her Padlet. So this is a way of sidestepping email altogether, so you don't have to get bewildered by all of the notifications that come your way. It does rely on the person who is sharing the Padlet with you having the email address that you want to use for your Padlet account. So if you're a member of a PD North Exchange group and you want to use your own Padlet account to access the group Padlet, and why would you not? Because that's the most efficient way. What you need to do is contact us, contact me personally, and tell me which email you want me to use, and then I can share the appropriate Padlet with you. You can either do that through your regional lead, or you can email me at loumycroft@loumycroft.org, and I'll make sure that I share things in the right place. But this is the way to use Padlet, the most efficient way. No email needs to be involved. I hope that you find this screencast useful.